Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, there's plenty of fun in the sun this weekend with the Pattaya Regatta 2026. That's the city's annual sailing competition. It's a 3-day event running through until Sunday the 14th at the Jomtien Beach Water Sports Arena. Something a little different over at the Brew Bar at the Holiday Inn on Pattaya Beach Road. They're hosting a craft soda workshop this Saturday the 13th. You'll get hands-on experience making your own fizzy drinks using natural ingredients with guidance from a professional mixologist. The workshop runs from 2 till 5 p.m, costs 1,590 baht per person, and you'll even get to take home your creations along with a soda making kit. Spaces are limited, so advance booking is essential. One for you car enthusiasts, this Sunday the 14th of June sees the return of Pattaya Cars on Flight. Billed as the biggest modified car show on the Eastern Seaboard, it features hundreds of supercars, sports cars and classic 90s favourites, along with live music and plenty to see and do. Admission is completely free and it all takes place from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. on the runway at the Terminal 21 Pattaya Mall. Also inside the mall is the Pride Market, featuring food stalls serving up all kinds of delicacies from across the country. That's running daily through until Sunday. If films are more your thing, the Changing Climate, Changing Lives Film Festival 2026 is taking place next week. Enjoy a selection of Thai and international short films exploring climate change and environmental issues from around the world. Each screening features 6 films and admission is completely free. The festival takes place on Tuesday the 16th at the Redemptorist Technological College and on Wednesday the 17th at the Good Friday Experiment Social Club. Screenings run from 6 till 8 p.m. Places are limited, so advance registration is recommended. And if you're looking to stay active, don't miss the weekly Zumba class at the Central Marina Outlet Mall. That's held in the car park every Wednesday throughout June from 7 till 8 p.m. It's great fun and completely free to join. For more details on these events and plenty more happening around the city, visit alwayspattaya.com.